Want to use Claude in your own language? In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on Claude so the app can respond and interact in the language you prefer. First, open the Claude app. Once the app opens, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now look toward the bottom left and tap on your profile name or profile icon. This will open the settings page for your account. Inside the settings menu, scroll down slowly until you find the option called Speech Language. Once you see it, tap on it to continue. A new screen will appear showing all available languages supported by Claude. You may see options like English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and more, depending on your device and app version. Now simply tap on the language you want to use. Once selected, a small check mark should appear next to that language. After that, tap the back arrow to return to the previous screen. From now on, Claude should start using your selected language for responses, speech, and interactions whenever possible. If the app still responds in a different language sometimes, try closing and reopening the app. You can also type a message like, "Please respond in Spanish" or "respond in German" to reinforce your language preference. This helps Claude better understand which language you want to use consistently. And that's it. That's how you can quickly change the language on Claude AI.